My video guide is about getting rid of the unwanted browser extension called Motorsports Start. So this is the extension specifically designed for Google Chrome. The trouble with this extension is that it actually operates as a browser hijacker. It hijacks a lot of crucial browser settings without your permission. So if you have noticed this browser hijacker to be the part of your Google Chrome, you should undertake the measures and remove it immediately. Access the menu, go to More Tools, then Extensions. So disable and remove any third-party extensions if you find them. I'm going to install this extension for the demonstration purposes in order to let you know how to get rid of it. So if you find this extension, simply disable and remove it. Finally, I recommend that you also research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.